Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. So, welcome to the session of EVS. This is your EVS session. I am Mrs. Nancy Sharma, your EVS developer. So, please take out your EVS books. And, children, we were doing which book? We were doing Tier Book 2 Animal Kingdom, and Unit A was about fish, right? So, please open your books. We have done till page number 6. Today we are going to do page number 7. And children, again and again I am repeating the same thing, that kindly please keep learning these all question answers, and whatever I am doing giving you to do, please keep learning side by side. Listen to me carefully. From now what we are going to do is we are going to revise each and everything again and again, and I want answers from your side also. Okay, please don't think that now the books are more little bit more difficult for you people. You are grown up students now. More and more question answers will come. Kindly keep doing each and every work along with the teacher, and keep learning those. Okay, don't please keep that after writing keep the notebooks on the side and let it be. No, please keep learning side by side. You will only find it difficult when the exams will approach. Okay, fine. Now let's read the facts given below first. Before doing that, write the date on the top, tick on the day and the weather. Fish. A fish is a cold blooded vertebrate. You all know what are vertebrates? Vertebrates, do you know? Vertebrates are the animals which have backbone, and invertebrates are the animals without the backbone. So, a fish is a cold blooded vertebrate. Cold blooded vertebrate. It has a cold blood, that's why it lives in under the water, under the sea, sorry, for so long. Fine. Okay, cold blooded means it means that the temperature of the body is same as the temperature of the environment. What do they do? Their body's temperature changes according to the environment. If they go to some icy place, their body will change accordingly. If they go to some uh, hot place, the body temperature will change automatically. So we call it a cold blooded vertebrate. Cold blooded vertebrate means beta बॉडी का टेम्परेचर अकॉर्डिंगली चेंज हो जाता है अकॉर्डिंग टू द एनवायरमेंट. इफ द फिश इज गोइंग टू सम कोल्ड प्लेस, कोई ठंडी जगह पे, विंटर्स की प्लेस पे, सी में जहाँ पे बहुत ठंड होती है वहां जाती है अगर फिश, उसका बॉडी का टेम्परेचर अकॉर्डिंगली हो जाता है. अगर अगर वो कहीं और जाती है तो अकॉर्डिंगली हॉट प्लेस पे जाती है तो उसके बॉडी का टेम्परेचर उसके अकॉर्डिंग हो जाता है. दिस मीन्स द ब्लड इज एज कोल्ड एज द वाटर दे लिव इन. जिस पानी में वो रहते हैं, जितना ठंडा बर्फीला पानी होता है उतनी ही ठंडी इनकी बॉडी होती है, इन उतना ही ठंडा इनका ब्लड हो जाता है. ठीक है, सो उनको ठंड नहीं लगती. फाइन. A fish is an aquatic animal. This all knows that aquatic animal means water animal. An aquatic animal is one that lives mostly in water. A fish cannot live without water. Body parts. A fish has two sets of paired fins. You all see two sets of paired fins. Okay. The fish swims with the help of its fins. Okay, it swims. कैसे तैरती है? With the help of these fins. Fine. And breathes through its gills. From where does it breathe? It breathes through its gills. See, this is the gills. ये gills है. Fine. Is it clear? This is the gill. This is the part from the mouth till here. This is a gill. Okay, is it clear, children? Next, most fishes are covered with scales. These are scales, as I have already told you, that protect their soft inside. These scales protect the skin which is very soft. The scales are smooth, बहुत soft होते हैं scales, and help the fish swim more easily. बहुत आसानी से वो swim कर पाती है due to these scales. Is it clear, children? You have to read these facts thoroughly. You have to learn these facts thoroughly. Fine. Now see, animal species known to currently exist in the world. Species vertebrates कितने हैं total? 80,500. ठीक है, वर्ल्ड में 80,500 vertebrates animals हैं, and इन vertebrates animals है कितने हैं? 67,55,830. 67,55,830 है invertebrate animals in the world. This is the data of 2011. 2011 का डाटा है, 10 years back. Okay, so you should know this. Fine. Fish has been on the earth for more than 450 million years. Fishes को आए हुए कितने साल हो गए? 450 million years. Fine. Now see. Color the fish, use the color code. Gills you have to color red. Fins you will color green. Where are the fins, children? These are the fins. This you will color green. Okay. Scales you will color yellow. Just wait. This part, these scales you are going to color yellow. This all part you will color till here yellow. Fine. Is it clear? Now let's do the fill-ups given above. What are the fill-ups saying? Fill in the blanks. A fish is a dash-blooded vertebrate. It is a cold-blooded. So you will write here cold. Okay. Next, a fish lives in dash and is called aquatic animal, lives in water. Fish lives in water. Please pardon my handwriting. I am trying to write neatly. You also write neatly. The dash of a fish helps to breathe in water. The gills of a fish. Gills. Fish breathe through gills. Fine. A fish has two sets of paired fins. This each and everything is written in the facts you have read now. The body of a fish is covered with scales. Scales. Clear? Is it clear to you all? Fine. Now children, what are you going to do? Open your notebooks and write one more question. Okay? Write one more question. We have already done three questions. The fourth one is, what is a fish? A fish is a cold-blooded vertebrate. Their blood is as cold as the water they live in. Their blood is as cold as the water they live in. So a fish is a cold-blooded vertebrate. Their blood is as cold as the water they live in. So write this question answers in your EVS notebook. Is it clear? Write the daily diary now. Open your diaries, write the date on the top and write the homework for EVS. Do page number 7. Okay. And write the question in your notebook. Now the time for last minute task. What are you going to write for the last minute task? Can anyone tell me what ma'am is going to give you for the last minute task? Yes? Is fish a vertebrate? A vertebrate animal or invertebrate animal? This you have to tell me. Fine. So quickly finish and send me. Bye. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.